Okay, so we baked the garlic in the oven for a half an hour at 350. So now we're going to cut off the tips of it like this. And then we're going to take each of the garlics and just squeeze out the cooked how easy it comes out. Just cut off the tips and it slides right out. See? So easy. See how easy that is? Squeezed right out of the, cut the tips like that and just squeeze it. Comes right out. So that's all done. So let's take this out here. Then we do a half a cup of oil right in there. Together. I like that much better. Put that down here. See how that looks now? I'm going to take this and dump it over like this. And you take Parmesan, coarsely shredded Parmesan.